a virtual tour of my studio. On this wall, I've got the circle of keys and the names of the chords and chord tones. Some frogs over here that like to croak in quarter notes. And moving over here, I've got a filing cabinet and a sneeze card. And here is the best smelling hand sanitizer. And in this filing cabinet, I have one thing I want to show you. I have really liked these little containers where I store a lot of little cords, different things like that. This drawer used to be a huge mess. Now it's much better. This is where I store all the music that I need for my students. I've got little credit cards to keep track of their music money. This is where I put Post-it notes, reminding them of different practice strategies to use. And then I have a wall-mounted monitor that I can connect with an HDMI cable to my iPad. And this is really neat because then students and I can look at the same sheet of music, and I can even annotate it for them and circle something, and then they can see what I'm talking about. So that's come in really handy, especially since we're on separate pianos. And then when I teach online, I do have a camera over my hands. That's a Logitech camera, and it's a Manos mount that's holding that camera in place. Now this is kind of a cheap boom mic, and so I put a little ribbon right here, and that is holding that camera up because it's a little heavy for that mic stand. Now, my all-time favorite new addition to my studio is my desk. And this desk is quite spectacular. Just with a push of a button, it will move up. And this comes in really handy when I feel like standing when I'm working. And also when I am teaching online, then this moves my laptop close enough so I can plug in my camera, and then I've got that camera all set to go for my Zoom lessons. And then, one of my new favorite additions too is this mouse pad with a calendar on it. How many times do I need to look at a calendar? And I know I have one on my phone, I know I have one on my computer, but I love it. I also have a simplified planner. This one I really have come to like. It has a calendar that I can write things on, and then it also just has weekly lists of things that I can do. So, I've got my juggling balls to remind me to juggle, practice that. My all-time favorite pen. It's supposed to last for 7 years. And of course, my hot water. And then I can look outside to see all the snow. It's already melted quite a bit. That air conditioner had over a foot on top of it. And then I do have a Selfie Light, this one right here. It likes to bend down just a little bit, but it's really light, and then I can just put my camera right in there, and I can take videos of students either vertically or horizontally. And this usually is stored over here, so I'll move it over there right now to my bathroom. This used to have a shower in it. Now it doesn't have a shower. It has a sink and a toilet. And then I have bookshelves in here, and I've been organizing those as of late. And then back over here, I have more shelves and more books. And I've got a keyboard that is MIDI capable, so I hook the iPad to that quite a bit. And then students also work off bench right over here. I have a little sneeze guard. They are usually wearing a mask. And then I love these little things if they're going to do worksheets, and they can grab a clean marker and then put it in there when it's sturdy. Let's see. This is my old desk, which I really do like, but it's not nearly as nice as my other desk. And then I really do like my dry erase board, and I've got a whole bunch of manipulatives over there. Back to my desk. I'll end there. One of my other favorite things of this desk is that it has a drawer. So in this drawer, I can just keep things that I need, quite handy. And it also includes this Ethernet cable, which I really like because then I hook that up to my Eros for my online lessons. And then I've got really high quality internet. And if you hadn't noticed, I did get a little bit of an upgrade for my website. I got some brand new pictures taken by Nicole Dyke. I really like her work. So I hope that's helpful. And there's my drum. Love my drum. Okay, love to see your studio. Thanks for listening and watching.